G'day guys, welcome and thanks for watching Fishing Adventures Hawke's Bay. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I tie the blood knot. Now the blood knot is a very useful knot to have in your knot collection, especially when you want to tie two monofilament lines together. It can be used to tie the same or lines of different diameters and breaking strings together. It's especially popular in the fly fishing community for tying tapered leaders, allowing for a drag-free drift. The knot's elongated shape allows it to run easily through the rod guides and prevents it from picking up slime and debris in the water. Now the way I use the blood knot when out fishing, sometimes you get a snag or you get some twisted lines and you have to cut your main line. I use the blood knot to join those two lines back together. When tying the blood knot, leave yourself about 6 inches or 15 centimeter tag ends on both lines to work with. Place the line in your right hand over the top of the one in your left hand and pinch it together. With your left hand, wrap the tag end by going underneath, then over the top and towards you 5 times. Then place the tag end up and in between the other two lines and pinch down with your left hand. Making sure you leave a little space before making the right hand wraps by going over the top, then underneath and towards you 5 times. I'm only doing 4 wraps with this thicker rope for demonstration purposes. Now stick the tag end down into the space you have left. Lubricate the line and pull tight. When correctly tied, the wrap should be even and in the same direction, and the tag ends have a general S shape. This knot allows you to trim the tag ends real close to the knot to give it a much smoother finish. Here I'm showing you how I tie the blood knot using mono leader line and the same knot tying procedure as before. If you've missed this video, then click on this link. And if you've missed that video, then click on that link. Click on the logo below to become part of my family.